Have you ever stopped mid-bite a piece of rich, dark chocolate melting on your tongue, and wondered where this magnificent substance actually comes from? We see it in neat little squares in shiny wrappers or swirled into ice cream. But chocolate doesn't grow on a shelf in the candy aisle. Its journey is far more mysterious and scientific. It begins with a bizarre-looking fruit on a tropical tree, the Theobroma cacao, named by Carl Linnaeus, food of the gods. These trees are picky. They only thrive about 20 degrees north and south of the equator, West Africa, Central America, parts of Asia. Pods grow directly from the trunk and main branches like colorful little footballs, treasure chests on the tree. Inside each leathery pod, cacao beans, snuggled in sweet, sticky white pulp. The pulp tastes fruity, think lychee or mango, but the raw beans themselves are bitter and astringent. Those seeds hold dormant magic waiting to be unlocked. Harvesting cacao is not a job for big fancy machinery. Oh no, this is a hands-on operation. They use long poles with specially shaped knives to snip high pods, and machetes for lower ones. It's a skill passed down through generations, every pod chosen with intention. Once collected, farmers crack them open, often right there in the field, using a blunt tool or the back of a machete. They scoop out the sticky white pulp and beans by hand. Now things get funky. The wet beans are heaped on banana leaves or placed in wooden boxes to ferment. For 5 to 7 days, yeasts break down sugars into alcohol, then bacteria convert alcohol into acetic acid, a controlled biological transformation. The pile heats up, sometimes over 50 degrees Celsius, killing the bean germ and triggering chemical changes that create flavor precursors. Workers turn piles to aerate them, allowing the next wave of microbes to do their part. After fermentation, the beans are sun-dried on trays, bamboo mats or patios until moisture drops from tilde 60% to tilde 7%. Farmers rake and turn the beans constantly, a slow, patient dance with the sun. Once dry, beans are packed into jute sacks and shipped worldwide to chocolate makers. At arrival, chocolatiers inspect for quality, consistency, and aroma, the first step in their craft. Roasting is where chemistry sings. Beans tumble in drum roasters under precise time and temperature control. The Maillard reaction creates hundreds of aromatic compounds, nutty, floral, fruity, and chocolatey notes. After roasting, beans are cooled, then sent to a winnower. Shells are blown away, leaving cacao nibs. Nibs are crunchy, nutty, intensely chocolatey, nature's unsweetened chips. To release cocoa butter, we grind the nibs. Stone rollers and mills generate heat, melting the fat inside. The result is chocolate liquor, a thick aromatic paste containing cocoa solids and cocoa butter. A hydraulic press can squeeze out pale cocoa butter. The remaining cake becomes cocoa powder. Extracted butter serves both confection and cosmetic worlds. Some goes back into chocolate recipes for control. To make chocolate, start with liquor. For dark chocolate, add sugar and sometimes extra cocoa butter. For milk chocolate, add milk powder and sugar. For white chocolate, use cocoa butter, sugar, and milk powder. The mixture is still gritty. Conching grinds and aerates it until particles drop below approximately 20 microns. Conching also mellows acids and develops flavor, turning sand into silk. From a football-shaped pod on a tropical tree, through fermentation, roasting, grinding, conching, and tempering, the humble cacao bean completes an epic transformation. It's a testament to nature, science, and human ingenuity. Now I have to ask, did you know how much work went into your favorite treat? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Has this changed how you'll see your next chocolate bar? Give this a like and share it with a fellow chocolate lover. And most importantly, tell me what food you want me to deconstruct next. Leave suggestions below. If you enjoyed this taste of behind-the-scenes chocolate science, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and comment what videos you want next. Until then, good eats.